So my name is Katie. I am 12 years old and I am starting 7th grade this year at HQIS. My overall feelings for attending the competition, for every moment of it, was very happy, very joyful, and I enjoyed every second of it. And since the whole competition is about making codes and putting it into a car model, I learned a lot about Python and how to write the codes. I also learned the importance of collaboration and to work together as a team to achieve a good place at the final round. There were several difficulties I've encountered during the competition. The first one was during the 48 into 24 contestants round. I was kind of too laid back at the prior days of the round, and I didn't put in a lot of effort at that time thinking it would be really easy. But when I actually started to begin to write the code and to try to get a good place, try to get into the top 24s, so I realized that it is quite difficult, and people that worked harder than me were getting a much higher score. But at last I tried to ask for help from my mentors and tried to ask them help from my parents, and at last I made it into the 24. When I first heard of this competition, I'm going to be honest, I wasn't most intrigued by it. And then my dad started to tell me more about the competition and more additional information about it. And then I realized this is actually quite fun. This is actually a fun experience. There's actual physical car models you can control and run as in the competition. And because of that, I became more interested in AI. I would like to thank all of my mentors and all of my teachers to help me, to encourage me to attend this competition, and as well as to help me overcome many difficulties I had during the competition. For example, the problem I previously stated. But most importantly, I would like to thank my parents for always supporting me and always encouraging me to keep going and never give up.